Hey guys, Muddy Ruttzz here. I just finished swapping out my steering stabilizer mount for the MetalCloak Billet aluminum version. There's nothing wrong with this mount that MetalCloak sends you when you buy the steering system. It's just that I broke a U-bolt, I bent the bracket, and I wasn't happy with my install, and the Billet aluminum one is so nice that I wanted to upgrade that and have that on the bottom of my Jeep. I wasn't going to make a video of this install, but it turned into a bit of a fight. The new challenge in installing the Billet aluminum unit was the clearance. I had to build these custom shorty Allen sockets just to get the torque wrench in there. Since I figured this might save you a major headache, I put together a recap on how I got it done. I made a mess of the standard mount, broke a U-bolt and bent the bracket. Since I had the MetalCloak Billet upgrade ready, it was time for the swap. Here's the secret. Clearance is tight against the drag link. I cut a 3/16 Allen wrench and pressed the pieces into these 3/16 sockets. It gave me the perfect reach to hit that 10 to 12 foot-pound torque spec. Removing the old one was a fight. The bolt was jammed, so I had to unthread it the whole way. Don't be afraid to use a hammer and socket to tap the new bolt into that bushing. I'm illustrating what I mean with this hammer, bolt, old stabilizer, and socket on my bench. I've got Loctite on all my bolts and I'm ready to do the install. MetalCloak does some nice machining on this aluminum stabilizer mount. Hand thread the top half first to avoid cross threading, then clamp it down. 59 foot-pounds on that main bolt and you're solid. Follow MetalCloak's instructions on where to position your stabilizer mount on the tie rod and you'll be able to turn the wheel lock to lock. Well, I hope this video helped you out if you're installing that MetalCloak Billet aluminum steering stabilizer mount. If it did, gives me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one. And don't forget, on Muddy Ruttzz, the best is yet to come.